This is an in-depth video of the wastewater recycling in India.
We are at Bamroli Sewage Treatment Plant in Surat. Here in Surat, around 1000 MLD, million litre per day of sewage comes through around 11.
In this video, we will be talking about the sector analysis, government initiative, company analysis, and sector tailwinds and headwinds. So now let's talk about sector analysis. So first we will be talking about the key drivers of growth. Key drivers of growth for this industry are the first one being water scarcity, second one being environmental concerns, third one regulatory pressures. Governments are implementing stricter regulations to control wastewater discharges and promote water conservation, driving demand for wastewater treatment. The fourth one is economic benefit. Now let's talk about the challenges and benefits. So first of all, high initial investment is required in order to set up a wastewater recycling facility. There might be technological limitations, public perception. Some people might not be very open to the idea of drinking wastewater recycled water from taps or even ROs. They need to be educated. The fourth one is regulatory hurdles, and the fifth one is the competition, because competition is a driver for success in many ways. Key trend: advancement in technology, integration with other water management practices, circular economy, public-private partnerships. Let's talk about the government initiatives now. The first initiative taken by the government was the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0. This mission aimed to achieve a garbage-free status all over the cities. It emphasized on the safe containment, transportation and treatment of wastewater. The second initiative taken by the government is Namami Gange. This flagship program focuses on the rejuvenation of River Ganga. The third initiative was Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Control and Urban Transformation. This mission aims to provide water supply and sewage connections, wastewater treatment facilities and septage management in 500 cities. Now doing a company analysis. First, let's talk about Ion Exchange India Limited. It is a leading player in the water and wastewater treatment solutions. The company offers a wide range of products and services including water purification systems, industrial water treatment plants and wastewater treatment solutions. With a strong focus in innovation and technology, Ion Exchange has established itself as a trusted partner for various industries and institutions and even the household. Now let's talk about the key business segments of Ion Exchange India Limited. The first one is water treatment. Ion Exchange provides solutions for both industrial and domestic water treatment, which includes reverse osmosis RO systems, ion exchange systems and water softener. Wastewater treatment. The company offers a wide range of wastewater treatment facilities including biological treatment, chemical treatment and membrane treatment. Environmental services. This company offers a wide range of environmental services including effluent treatment, zero liquid discharge solutions and soil remediation. Now talking about the financial performance of this company, Ion Exchange has consistently demonstrated a strong financial performance with steady revenue growth and profitability. Revenue growth. Ion Exchange has experienced consistent revenue growth over the years driven by the increased demand for water and wastewater treatment solutions. Talking about the profitability, the company has maintained a steady profitability with healthy profit margins, reflecting the ability to manage costs and generate value for its shareholders. Ion Exchange has a strong financial stability and a strong financial position with an adequate balance sheet and liquidity. Competitive advantage. Some of the competitive advantage of Ion Exchange, with the first one being technological expertise, second a strong market position, a diversified business portfolio and an experienced team. And the future outlook for Ion Exchange looks promising. Given the increasing demand of water and wastewater reuse, this company focuses on innovation coupled with its strong financial position, keeps it well in the market to capitalize on growth opportunities. The second company we have to focus on is Viatec Wabag. It is a leading company in water and wastewater treatment solutions. It offers a comprehensive solution for municipal and industrial clients. With a strong focus on innovation and sustainability, it has established itself as a trusted partner for governments, municipalities, and corporations worldwide. Key business segments of Viatech Vabag. The first one is municipal water supply. Vabag provides solutions for drinking water supply, including water treatment plants, distribution networks, and water supply systems. Wastewater treatment. The company offers a wide range of wastewater treatment from primary, secondary to tertiary treatment and reuse. Provide innovative solutions for industrial water treatment, including processed water treatment and wastewater treatment and zero liquid discharge system. When talking about the geographical presence of Vabag, this company has a global footprint with operations in over 30 countries across Asia, Europe, and America. This extensive presence allows the company to cater to diverse market needs and leverage local expertise. Now, the most important, the financial performance of this company. Vabag has consistently demonstrated a strong financial performance and steady revenue growth and profitability. The company's strong financial growth is attributed to its diversified business portfolio, global presence, and efficient operations. So here you can see the financial performance of Viatech Vabag. When talking about the competitive advantage, this company has technological expertise, global presence, experienced team, and strong project execution. The future of Vabag appears to be promising, given the increased demand for water and wastewater treatment. Moreover, it's expanding into new markets, developing new products and services, and strengthening partnerships. Just Engineering is also a very well-established company for water and wastewater treatment solutions in India, with a focus on providing comprehensive solutions for both municipal and industrial applications. Just Engineering has gained a reputation for its quality of products and services. It offers solutions for drinking water supply, including water treatment plants, distribution network, and water supply systems. It provides a range of wastewater treatment solutions for primary, secondary, and tertiary treatment and reuse. Caters to the needs of various industries, providing tailored solutions for process, wastewater treatment, and zero liquid discharge systems. Just Engineering has a strong presence in India, and its financial performance is influenced by factors such as market demand. The overall demand is high because of the need of water and wastewater treatment solutions, competitive landscape, government policies, and technological advancement. The competitive advantage include technological expertise, quality products and services, customization, and strong customer relationship. The future outlook for Just Engineering depends on various factors such as economic conditions, government policies, and technological advancements in water and wastewater treatment industry. Given the increasing demand for sustainable water management solutions, the company has a potential to grow and succeed. The fourth company is EMS Limited. It is a prominent Indian company specializing in environmental solutions with a strong focus on water and wastewater treatment. The company offers a wide range of products and services catering to both industrial and municipal clients. EMS provides solutions for drinking water, wastewater treatment, and industrial water treatment. It also provides environmental services such as effluent treatment and sludge management and soil remediation. EMS has ventured into renewable energy, focusing on solar power generation. It has a strong presence in India with operations across various regions. The company has also expanded to reach to international markets, serving clients in countries such as Middle East and Southeast Asia. Now, talking about its financial performance, it has demonstrated a consistent financial performance with steady revenue growth and profitability. The company's financial strength is attributed to its diversified business portfolio, strong market position, and efficient operations. You will also be able to see the collected data on its financial performance. EMS has experienced a consistent revenue growth because of the increasing demand of water and wastewater solutions. EMS has experienced increasing demand because of the environmental solutions needed. The company has also maintained healthy profit margins. Plus, it has a strong financial position with a healthy balance sheet and adequate liquidity. Talking about competitive advantage, it has technological expertise, an experienced team, strong customer relationship, and a very diversified business portfolio. The future outlook of this company is promising given the increasing demand in environmental solutions and the company's strong market position. The key fact that could drive future growth could be its entry into new market, developing new products and services, and strengthening partnerships. So now we know that the wastewater treatment industry is experiencing a period of significant growth driven by various factors. However, like any industry, it faces certain challenges that could impact its development. Talking about the tailwinds, as populations grow and our urbanization expands, water resources are becoming increasingly scarce. Wastewater recycling offers a sustainable solution to meet water demand. Plus, we know that the wastewater discharge can contribute to water pollution further and the pollution of soil and other water bodies. Recycling wastewater helps to reduce pollution and protect ecosystems as well. Governments are also implementing certain regulations to control wastewater discharges and promote water conservation, driving demand for wastewater treatment and recycling technologies. Wastewater recycling can provide economic benefit by reducing the need for fresh water extraction and treatment, and by generating revenue from the sale of recycled water. Technological advancements and public awareness are also very important factors. Headwinds in this sector are, first of all, high initial investments. Obviously, the construction and operation of wastewater treatment and recycling facilities requires high capital. Technological limitations are to be concerned about. The safety and quality of the recycled water, which means public perception is also very important because there are concerns about the safety and the quality of the recycled water, and navigating complex regulations can be challenging for industry players. Plus, the wastewater recycling market is becoming increasingly competitive with a growing number of players. Economic downturns can also reduce the need for wastewater treatment and recycling services, particularly in sectors such as manufacturing and construction. Overall, while wastewater recycling faces some challenges, the tailwinds driving its growth are significant. The industry is well positioned to play a crucial role in addressing water scarcity and environmental concerns in the years to come. Thank you so much for watching this video.